Managers are testing themselves in green. A long distance pass. Moving it nicely. Mbappe. Haaland drives forward. Valverde with the ball. He's moving it around. Oh, De Bruyne! A fantastic team goal.
Look at the confidence that's given him and the team. But can they hold on to the lead?
This is Rodrigo. And this really takes the pressure off the defence. Knight with a tackle. At the striker's feet. Surely now.
They're now right back in this match.
And it's anyone's bet which way this one will go now. Here's Van Dijk. Surely now. This is Haaland. The defence were caught out, and now he's through on goal. Goes for the volley, and De Bruyne scores. That's his second goal. Good distribution. This is Rodrigo. Their passing has been so accurate. Van Dijk with the tackle. And that's a midway. Oh, this is crisp passing. That one has gone out of play. Oh, that pass could have been better. Oh, that's a poor pass. Lovely passing here. Harry Kane. Oh, and dispossessed there. He got that all wrong. It's a throw-in. Some tactical decisions from the winning team. These new players will be hoping to see out the win. Now Diaz. He's racing ahead with the ball. Osimhen in possession. A misplaced pass. And he's launched the ball into the box. Oh, it's a clear chance.
They've got the lead, but to keep it, they're still going to need to have their composure.
Surlot with the effort. Not long left. Can they see out the result?
Time for some fresh legs, maybe. The players are warming up.
He got that pass all wrong. That's not like him at all. Wins the ball. That's a rare poor pass from this skilled player. A careless pass there. They're just one goal ahead. They need to fend off this final push from their opponents.
They're just looking to keep the ball.
It was so... Well, no arguments there. A great performance from a player who really is on top form. These two teams are going head-to-head. What will be the outcome of today's game? That's a rare poor pass from this skilled player. And back to the goalkeeper. Rodrigo shoots. An absolute world-class finish. What a way to start the match. He was quick off the mark and has opened the scoring. He's darting forward. Haaland shoots. Absolutely brilliant goal.
The manager will be pleased with getting back into this game and hope they can grab another goal.
Mo Salah. Nice pass. Harry Kane. He's running at the opposition. The defender regains possession, and now they're going to try and break. He's up to full speed now. Good ball control. It's Ronaldo! What a goal! Fantastic stuff.
That was a brilliant individual goal. He took the ball through the entire team.
Good interception. Mbappe.
Now De Bruyne.
He steps up to steal the ball. This is Rodrigo. What an opportunity! So close, it's hit the bar. Really good possession here. Harry Kane. Well, he's certainly made the goalkeeper work. He's unlucky not to score. A new taker will stand over this corner. And that cross missed its target. And that's...
Now De Bruyne.
Mbappe. An accurate pass. Haaland drives forward. Pulls the trigger. He saves the long-range shot. Oh, that's a poor pass. Makes the pass. This is a physical game, lots of tackles being made. Cristiano Ronaldo. Well read. He misjudged the pass. He got that all wrong. They've got the lead, but to keep it, they're still going to need to have their composure. Surely now! It's Cristiano Ronaldo. That's his second goal. Here's a replay of that great goal. And the manager's making a change here. Bellingham with the ball. Cancelo with the tackle. A strong tackle. Van Dijk with the tackle. He's putting in a player of the match performance. Harry Kane. It's going to be a drop ball. You can see from the bench that the manager's extremely pleased with his team's performance today. They want to add to their lead here. He's shaping to shoot.
Brilliant goal. They're right back in it.
Time for a fresh player to enter the fray.
And the crowd are well behind their team now they've got their goal. We're back underway.
Oh, this is crisp passing. Oh, a chance now to turn defence into attack. They had to dig deep. He's been outstanding. To no one's surprise, he's been named as the player of the match. Welcome to this Dream League live game. So then it's a 4-1-3-2. They've gambled with an attacking midfield setup, but will it pay off? Alexander-Arnold. Valverde with the ball. His teammates swarm him, and rightly so. Great stuff.
Look at the confidence that's given him and the team. But can they hold on to the lead?
Now it's Vinicius. Here's Van Dijk. Valverde with the ball. One-on-one with the keeper. Oh, there from Haaland.
Fantastic team goal. The build-up was mesmerising, and the manager will be... And this is the 11.
Good ball control. It's now Saliba. Now Diaz. Haaland drives forward. Mbappe.
Well, that's been coming. He'll be pleased getting on the score sheet, but can he add to it?
Let's take a closer look at that goal now. Good distribution. And back to the goalkeeper. Alisson collects. Hakimi. Long throw there. This is Rodrigo. Haaland drives forward. A golden chance. It's Kane.
So we're back underway. I wonder how that goal is going to affect this game.
Valverde with the ball. He's racing ahead with the ball.
And that was a bullet header there. No chance for the keeper. Look at the confidence that's given him. And the team. Can they hold on to the lead?
This is Haaland.
Oh, a chance now to turn defence into attack.
And he's won it back for his team. He's speeding ahead.
And it's opened up here.
Rudiger with a challenge. Mbappe. This is Haaland. He's waiting to pull the trigger. An entertaining half finishes.
Oh, this is crisp passing.
Oh, that's a poor pass.
Mbappe.
Good defending.
Well read. That's nicely played.
Van Dijk with a tackle. Oh, wayward pass. Normally he's so accurate with his distribution. They want to add to their lead here.
Oh, it's a clear chance.
Rudiger with the challenge. Araujo with the ball. Cristiano Ronaldo. Hakimi tackles.
Oh, there's an opening here. Oh, it's there. They've equalised.
Well, nothing in it now, and this game could go either way. That was really well taken. Here's how they did it. It's time to replenish their energy levels, so some new players are coming on. This is Rodrigo.
Oh, De Bruyne!
He saves the long-range shot.
Well cut out.
Will there be some late drama today? The defender regains possession, and now they're going to try and break. Ah, he's played it long. To get ahead in this game, they need to shut out the opposition. This is Haaland. He's up to full speed now.
Is this the moment?
Gets in the way of the header. This is the player who's making it all happen. Fantastic game. He's been outstanding. To no one's surprise, he's been named as the player of the match. And this is the selection for the away side. Ambitious pass. Harry Kane. A careless pass there. Can he put it away? An absolute world-class finish.
He struck at such an important time here to put his team in front. Fantastic goal.
Now Diaz. Valverde with the ball. He got that all wrong. This is Rodrigo. He got that pass all wrong. That's not like him at all. Oh, that's a poor pass. Harry Kane.
Surely now.
Oh, there from Haaland.
Oh, he got right behind that. Gave the goalkeeper no chance at all. This player really knows how to hit them from distance. Class goal.
Great understanding between this team. Sirlock brings it forward. They're just looking to keep the ball. Really good possession here. A careless pass there. Here's Van Dijk. Oh dear, that was a terrible challenge. The ref won't like that. They're controlling the play with ease. Oh, that's well played. This is Kane. Great run. A fantastic team goal.
Looking at the build-up play, the opponent stood no chance. A brilliant, well-worked goal.
An accurate pass. Saliba with a tackle. What a game back. Some really fluid passing on display. Great pass. This is Kane. Great run. An outstanding header. 2 goals today from this exciting player. Now here's Giroud. Now this could be costly. Oh, that's just off target. A long kick from the goalkeeper. Lovely passing here. Good defending. Oh, that pass could have been better. They're behind, and they'll need to get something here with this attack. And he shoots! It didn't trouble the keeper. The goalkeeper receives the ball. The fans want this player to make an appearance. They're already losing. They don't want to go further behind, so they best get this away soon. No pressure here, they're firmly in control. This team really are controlling the game. He's speeding ahead. Valverde with the ball.
What an opportunity! Goodness me, that was close.
Played to his teammate. It's with the striker now. Oh, confident defending.
And he's one-on-one with the keeper.
Scintillating football. That goal was a true team effort. So this player will come off and a new one will take to the pitch.
And this exciting game unfortunately comes to an end. Until next time, it's goodbye.